This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
Great. So now it's time for step 2, define your campaign. And in this step, we're going to start creating your campaign. But before setting all options, you have to make 2 important decisions about the traffic type and your traffic targeting options that will impact the specific setup options in step 3 of this guide. So let's start with creating a new Zeropark campaign, and I'll talk to you more about what lays behind the options that you select. So first thing we need to do is click on the new campaign button at the top of your dashboard. And then next you're going to have to choose your traffic type. So you're going to want to select one of these 3 options. If you go with domain, that means your domain traffic comes from users typing in unused part domain names in the address bar of a browser. So these users are redirected to your full screen ad, and that's either going to be a landing page or an offer. And then next you have pops. So pops are a full screen ad format triggered by websites. So they appear as a new window in the desktop or as a tab on a mobile device on top of a currently viewed tab or in the background. And then last but not least, you have push. Push ads are delivered directly to users' desktop or mobile devices in the form of a push notification and linked to your landing page or straight to your offer. So after we're done, you're going to know all of the necessary campaign guidelines needed and all of the tips that you will need to go through when it comes to targets, sources, or tiers. So once you've decided what type of traffic type you'd like to buy, you'll go ahead and select that. So after you have selected your traffic option, we need to talk about selecting your targeting option. So there's 4 campaign categories for domain and pop traffic available, and there's only 3 for push traffic. So we're going to select pop so that we can review all 4. So the first you have RON, which is run of network. So creating an RON campaign is the quickest way to get all of the available traffic from a specific country. There's no keywords or specific targets involved. You simply just choose your geo, insert your destination URL, set your bid, and your campaign is ready to go. And then after that, you have keyword. So keyword is where you're going to enter a list of keywords or URLs to receive targeted visitors. And you can use generic keywords to maximize your exposure and go broad, or you can select between exact targeting and fine-tune your campaign. And then after that, you have your target or source campaign. So this is a select campaign category where once you have identified the top performing targets or sources from your keywords or your run on the network campaigns, you can create a selected or a premium target or source campaign from your chosen geo. So adding the target or sources is required for your campaign to start receiving traffic. So you can add targets during the campaign creation process, or you can add targets or sources after you save your campaign in draft mode only. And then last you have multi-geo. So this is where your campaign allows you to run in multiple countries through the RON or keyword campaign type. So once you know what your targeting option is going to be, you're just going to click on the image and you'll proceed to the next step, which is going to be set up your campaign.